What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna show you how to play Cardigan by Taylor Swift, and hopefully I'm just gonna cover the full album by tomorrow and many will be released to this. So make sure to stay tuned. We have the keeper on the first fret, to make sure to put the keeper on the first fret so that you can make the chords super easy. Now for this song, we have I think 6-7 chords we have, and if you just have a look at the structure, we start off with the verse, then we have the pre-chorus, then a chorus, then a verse, then another pre-chorus, another chorus. Then we have the breakdown part, a little breakdown we have. Then we have the verse, next verse. Now this verse is just a slight different. Then we have a bridge. After the bridge we have a chorus, and then that's it. Now let me introduce to the chords, which are actually super easy, so we're just gonna look at the chords within a minute. So first chord is a G major, which is 3-2 open open 3-3. Then the next chord is a B minor, which is mute 2-4-4-3-2. You can even play it like this. Then we have a D major, which is mute mute open second third second. Then A major, which is mute open second 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 open. I think I told you E minor. E minor 0-2-2-0-0-0. What else? So I think we are not left with any other chords. Yeah, I think that's it. Now just have a look. We have the verse 1 and the verse 2. So verse 1 and verse 2. Just have a look at the chord progression, and I'm just gonna show you the piano melody we have. So first chord is an E minor, then an A, then a G, then an A. Before that, quickly have a look at the rhythm. We actually go down, down, up, up, down. So it's a down, down, up, up, down. And I kind of break the string pattern into two chords. Like on the first chord, the odd chord, the odd number of chord, like the E minor, I do down, down, and on the even number of chord, which is A in this case, I do a up, up, down. And in this way, I just go on throughout the whole song. Down, down, up, up. So the chord progression for the verse 1, verse 2 is a E minor, A, G, A. So we got down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Now there's a melody which goes for the first chord of it's actually on the E minor right now, the melody which I'm showing. So it's a pull out from second to open on the B string. Then I play third fret on the B string. It's on the E minor. So we got, and then I play the A major chord, and I got the high E string open. Nice and easy. So we got, so the open high E string is the A, and then for the next chord, this is for the G, then an A. So we got for the G, it goes like that throughout the whole song. So we got 2, 3, 4. Everything is super easy, simple. Then you have the pre-chorus. Now just have a look. For the pre-chorus and the bridge. So for the pre-chorus and the bridge, our chord progression is pretty much same, but we just replace the E minor with the D major chord. So we'll play D, then an A, then a G, then an A, and repeat the same. So up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. That goes for the pre-chorus, 1, 2, and the bridge. Now we have the chorus. Now the first chorus and the second chorus is actually the verse chord progression. E minor, A, G, A. So nice and easy. But the third chorus, the end, like the breakdown we have, after the breakdown we have the chorus, it's a little bit different. The chord progression goes a bit different. So for the breakdown, we have a G, and even for the last chorus we have a G, then a B minor, then a D. I think I went a bit wrong. G, B minor, A, G, and this goes for the last chorus and also for the breakdown. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you play G, then a B minor, then an A, then a G. So let's play. And that's almost everything you need for this lesson, guys. Believe me, there's nothing much to learn in the song. There's not a lot of guitar parts we have for the song. So let's keep this lesson short till this much. And as I told you, I'll likely cover the whole album. So make sure you have a check on my channel. Drop me a comment down below any other song that you want to learn on guitar. Music Friday, obviously. So lots of stuff to do today. And this one is kind of very easy. That small piano riff we had. So there's nothing much over here to learn because everything is on the piano. Most of his songs are actually on the piano. So that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you guys back in my very next video. Till then, bye.